Hey everybody, I'm going to do this new song by Corey Hanson, and it's called Angelus, and let me run through it. The verse repeats. The chorus is. The second time. And then it starts over on the F sharp minor. Let's run through how to play that. One measure on the F sharp minor, and it's played with a triplet: 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 4 2 3. So that's what in the finger picking you're kind of going 1 2 3 2 2 3. Then it goes to C sharp minor for half a measure, and then it goes to C sharp major, B minor for a whole measure, A to C sharp minor, and then it starts over. Then the chorus starts after the C sharp minor. It goes D major, A major, E major, and then B minor. And then it comes back and goes D, A. And then it repeats, starting on the D. It repeats up until the E, and then it goes G, D quickly, and then it goes A, B minor, and so it repeats A to B minor 2 times, and then we go to F sharp minor, and then that resets it. Okay, you could play it with the capo at the 2nd fret, but I just figured I don't know if they're using a capo or not. So thanks for watching. Have a fun time playing it. Bye.